In this video, I am going to show you how to add the YouTube gallery to your website using Elfsight. 1. Head over to Elfsight and select the YouTube gallery widget from the menu. 2. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Choose a template that aligns with your website's style. 3. Click Continue with this template and add the video sources you'd like to display on the Source tab. 4. Navigate to the Layout tab to customize the appearance of your video gallery widget. Explore other setting tabs to adjust layout, size, colors and fonts according to your preferences. Once satisfied, click Install to add the widget to your website. After that, you will be provided with an HTML code to copy it. Just click on Copy and then head over to your WordPress website and then add in a custom HTML code. Pass the code to your HTML block and click Save to see the YouTube gallery widget on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.